How to see all your accounts on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this instructional video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of accessing and managing all your accounts on Roblox. It's a simple and efficient procedure, so ensure you follow each step attentively. To begin, the initial step in viewing all your Roblox account is to launch your preferred web browser. You can utilize any web browser of your choice to navigate to the Roblox website, where you will have the access to all of your accounts. Enter the web address in the address bar or open a new tab and search for the Roblox website on Google. And you will be directed to the main login page. Here you have the option to either sign up for a new account or to log in to one of your existing accounts. To view all of your accounts, simply click on the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will redirect you to another page where you can select forgot your password or username to retrieve all of your information of your Roblox accounts. Upon clicking this option, you will be able to prompt to enter your email for account recovery purposes, and by following the instructions in this prompt, you will receive a message containing details of all your accounts. I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial in assisting you with managing your Roblox accounts effectively. If you found this video helpful, do show your support by liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.